We're out here at the Verde residence. We had a blank slate out here. They just had absolutely nothing.
And we have a seawall out here, so we're creating a recessed protected area for the Fireball and their Adirondack chairs.
We came out, installed all the landscaping out here. We have bend board, we have pavers, we have granites, we have turf.
Over here, this is a cross section between the pool and the seawall. So we're creating a swale here for drainage and also a stone pathway coming through. And phase one is all the grasses and the rock perimeter and the walkway through here. This boardwalk is part of their new boat dock out here.
Phase one just started off, make things a little bit lighter on the right-hand side of the pool area by adding the steppers and the granite and the bend board, just so they have a little pathway between so they can enjoy that part of the yard without just walking in grass and dirt.
Then in plan view, this is the phase two area, which is the Fireball area.
So we did a long little bit of a process in here, but we ended up filling the whole thing with 89, then 57, and then top dressed everything with a paver base, and then laid out our turf out here. We added the white rock around everything for the border, and then we did this super magnificent travertine pad up top.
It's just a very simple design with some very aesthetic, high-end materials. Their patio space can be an intimate space within this travertine patio, and then outside that there's additional gray granite to extend that area for larger events, and then they have the extension into the turf area for the larger events where they can put additional chairs and have a very nice space overlooking the water. And then we've got several different types of rock here. We have the light gray granite, we've got the travertine, and then we've got some boulders that are like 4 to 8 inches in size, just to add a different texture here. We've got the river rock, 1.5 inch size, going around the perimeter. And then we have a river rock, 1.5 inch size pathway going through here. All of the gray area is the light gray granite to accentuate these stepstones and to accentuate the light colored pavers.
So with that, anything you need, carpentry, landscape, hardscape, maintenance, irrigation, water features, anything you all need, get with us and we'll make it happen.